Imagine living in a place where you're not just welcomed, but paid to call it home. This is no fantasy. It's a reality in some of the most breathtaking corners of the planet. Today, we're embarking on a journey to discover the lands that offer more than scenic views, but a paycheck. From the rolling prairies of Saskatchewan, Canada, with its generous graduate retention program, to the entrepreneurial spirit of Chile's Startup Accelerator, we're touring through opportunities that could have you waking up to mountain vistas or seaside sunrises with a bonus in your bank account. So stay tuned as we unveil these gems where life's a little richer and not just an experience. Get ready to explore the world's top get-paid-to-live destinations. Number 1. Saskatchewan, Canada. Saskatchewan, Canada is the ultimate destination for those looking to get paid for living in a breathtaking setting. Thanks to Saskatchewan's graduate retention program, recent college graduates are in for a treat. They're offering a generous 20,000 Canadian dollars, that's roughly $15,000 US dollars, in tax returns to sweeten the deal. But what's the catch? Well, you must have graduated from one of their approved post-secondary institutions. So, why should you consider calling Saskatchewan home? For starters, it's a place where you can have it all: the perks of city life and the charm of the countryside. With stunning national parks and historic sites at your doorstep, outdoor enthusiasts will be in paradise. But it's not just about nature. Saskatchewan also boasts fantastic job opportunities, especially for college grads. Imagine waking up to the beauty of the great outdoors, with money in your pocket and a world of opportunity right at your fingertips. That's what Saskatchewan, Canada has to offer. A winning combination you won't want to miss. Number 2. New Zealand. New Zealand, often described as one of the most stunning countries in the world, is a place that's not just a feast for the eyes but also an opportunity for your wallet. If you've ever dreamed of living in a picturesque paradise, this is your chance. New Zealand offers a unique program in the small town of Kaitangata, where they're eager to increase their population. While they won't hand you a wad of cash, they've come up with an enticing deal: land and housing packages for just $165,000. It's a steal when you consider the breathtaking landscapes and adventures waiting for you. This is a land of boundless excitement for adventurers. Imagine skiing on world-class slopes, hiking through breathtaking trails, or trying thrilling activities like jet boating and bungee jumping. The scenery here is so incredible that even Hollywood couldn't resist. It served as the backdrop for the iconic Lord of the Rings series. So, why wait? Pack your bags and head to New Zealand for a life filled with natural wonders and unforgettable experiences. It's not just a move, it's an epic adventure waiting to happen. Number 3. Italy. In Italy, tucked-away towns are offering a sweet deal to new residents. Take Candela, a charming spot echoing with the vibrancy of Italian urban life, but without the crowds. With a modest population of 2,700, the local government is enticing newcomers with incentives up to €2,000 for families. The conditions? Make Candela your permanent home, secure a job, and invest in a pre-1991 house. Imagine living just a stone's throw from Naples and pristine beaches, indulging in exquisite Italian cuisine, and being a quick train ride away from iconic landmarks. Meanwhile, Sambuca di Sicilia in the heart of Sicily is selling houses at the symbolic price of €1. The goal? To revitalize the dwindling population of this picturesque town. While you'll need to commit to restoring your new abode within 3 years, the culinary delights, the allure of learning Italian, and the essence of Mediterranean living might just make this the adventure of a lifetime. Number 4. Mauritius. Mauritius, the hidden gem of the Indian Ocean, beckons entrepreneurs with a sweet offer: 20,000 Mauritian rupees, which is approximately $440 for your startup dreams. This tropical paradise, nestled to the east of Madagascar, isn't just about pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters. It's a land of opportunity. Imagine presenting your innovative business idea to a committee eager to fuel your success. They'll assess your plan, and if it's promising, you're in. But why pay you to live here? Well, Mauritius boasts a thriving economy, making it the perfect launchpad for your business. And it's not just about profit. The island offers a quality of life that's hard to match. With its delightful weather, top-notch schools, and free healthcare for residents, Mauritius is an inviting prospect. Plus, it's a vibrant melting pot of cultures, creating a diverse and welcoming atmosphere. So, whether you're drawn to its entrepreneurial incentives or the allure of island life, Mauritius is calling your name. Grab this opportunity and turn your business dreams into reality in this picturesque, multicultural haven. Number 5. Chile. Chile is a dream destination, not just for its breathtaking landscapes, but also for entrepreneurs eager to launch or grow their startups. At the heart of this vibrant scene is Startup Chile, a government-backed accelerator that has been fueling innovation since 2016. They offer 3 distinct programs. First up, the Build program, perfect for those looking to get their business off the ground. It offers 10 million pesos, roughly $14,000, a co-working space, and a 1-year visa. Then there's Ignite, aimed at small yet established startups seeking expansion. It comes with around $30,000 of equity-free funding and the possibility of an additional $30,000. Lastly, Growth caters to more advanced startups, providing a hefty $80,000 to scale operations and community impact. Applying is straightforward. You just fill out an online form detailing your business idea. Clear the form, and you're up for an interview. With the process fully in English, it's a golden ticket for global entrepreneurs to bring their visions to life in Chile's thriving tech hub. Number 6. Denmark. Are you thinking of embarking on an entrepreneurial journey or diving into the world of digital nomadism? Look no further than Denmark. While it's not a country that hands out checks just for moving there, it offers a wealth of other perks. Denmark is a startup-friendly hub, buzzing with innovation and brimming with incentives for savvy business minds. Settle in Denmark, and you're unlocking the door to top-notch education, healthcare, and welfare services. For investors, the financial benefits are as enticing as the country's famous smørrebrød. The Danish lifestyle is an invitation to embrace sustainability with its picturesque coastlines and an affinity for bicycles over cars. This eco-conscious choice keeps you fit, and the city's almost fairy tale clean. Plus, there's a reason Denmark consistently ranks as one of the happiest places on Earth. The sense of community and work-life balance is unparalleled. So if you're after a place that bolsters your health, wealth, and happiness, Denmark might just be your next move. Number 7. Albanen, Switzerland. In the charming village of Albanen, nestled among the majestic Swiss Alps, a unique opportunity awaits. With its young population dwindling, Albanen is extending a warm invitation to newcomers, offering a substantial $25,000 to those ready to call this idyllic location home. And families take note, there's an additional $10,000 on the table for each child you bring along. But it's not just about the money, there's a commitment involved. You need to be under 45 and stay for a decade to truly become part of Albanen's fabric. While the promise of cash is alluring, the real draw is the life you'll lead. Imagine waking up to serene mountain vistas, breathing in the crisp alpine air, and having the stability of Switzerland's robust economy at your back. Plus, you're never too far from the urban buzz of Geneva and Zurich. Albanen doesn't just offer a new home. It offers an adventure in one of the world's most postcard-perfect landscapes. Why just visit when you can stay, thrive, and be rewarded for it? Number 8. Ireland. In Ireland, innovation is not just a buzzword, it's a welcome mat for global entrepreneurs. Through Enterprise Ireland, if your startup sparkles with promise, a simple application could catapult you into a world of opportunity. Successful applicants relocating to Ireland are not only greeted with a hefty financial boost, but they also gain a golden ticket to the bustling markets of the European Union. The Emerald Isle's charm extends far beyond its business perks. Here, the landscapes unfold like pages of an epic tale, with rolling green hills and rugged coastlines. And the Irish? They're the heart of this cultural tapestry, known for their warmth and community spirit. Settle in, and you'll soon discover the quintessence of Irish hospitality, the local pub. It's where friendships are forged over pints and laughter. So, if you're looking to blend a thriving professional life with the rich tapestry of Irish culture, Ireland might just be the perfect place to plant your roots. Number 9. Ponga Villages of Spain. Now let's talk about an incredible opportunity in the picturesque Ponga Villages of Spain. If you're a young couple dreaming of starting a family, this could be your ticket to an exciting adventure. They'll pay you a generous 3,000 euros. That's roughly $3,262, just for relocating to this charming Spanish community and staying for a mere 5 years. But the perks don't stop there. Ponga goes the extra mile by offering an additional 3,000 euros incentive for each child you have, whether they join you in your move or are born right here in Ponga. So why does Spain pay you to live in this hidden gem? It's simple. Ponga's population is dwindling, and they're eager to breathe new life into their community. And who wouldn't want to be a part of it? The Asturias region, nestled in northern Spain, boasts breathtaking landscapes, warm and welcoming communities, and abundant job opportunities. Plus, don't forget about the glorious siestas, where you get a refreshing 2-hour break in the middle of your day. Number 10. Korea, Thailand, and Vietnam. Korea, Thailand, and Vietnam are your ticket to an exciting adventure in Asia. These countries are rolling out the red carpet for European and American residents, offering not just a place to live, but a job teaching English and other courses. The best part? The process is a breeze, and you'll be jetting off to Asia in no time once you cover the moving costs. What makes these countries so special? Well, besides their warm hospitality, you'll dive into a rich tapestry of history and culture that's worlds apart from the West. Korea boasts its high-tech meccas, historic palaces, and the mouth-watering kimchi. Thailand entices with its stunning beaches, bustling markets, and savory pad thai. And Vietnam enchants with its serene landscapes, ancient temples, and the irresistible pho. But here's the kicker. These countries offer not just a change of scenery, but an exceptional quality of life at a fraction of the cost back home. So, whether you're drawn to the neon-lit streets of Seoul, the tropical paradise of Thailand, or the charming streets of Hanoi, consider these countries your next exciting destination to get paid for the adventure of a lifetime. Wrapping up, the world is full of incredible opportunities to get paid for living in some of the most breathtaking and culturally rich places on Earth. From the stunning landscapes of Canada to the entrepreneurial hubs of There's a Destination for Everyone. Which of these countries would you like to visit? Let us know in the comments section. See you in our next video.